5 Earth formations you won't believe exist. Number 1. The Wave USA. This surreal sandstone formation looks like a frozen ocean wave, carved over millions of years by wind and rain. Number 2. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. The world's largest salt flat becomes a mirror after rain, perfectly reflecting the sky. It's called the Heaven Mirror. Number 3. Waitomo Glowworm Cave, New Zealand. A galaxy underground. Glowing worms light up the cave ceiling like stars. Number 4. Pamukkale, Turkey. White mineral terraces formed by hot springs. It looks like a cotton castle built by nature. Number 5. Mount Roraima, South America. Since snow-capped mountain, a flat-top mountain that inspired the movie Up. Covered in clouds and mystery, it's like a real-life floating island. Subscribe for more.